debuted its rebrand in CNES in 2026 and launched their European product market in the German exhibition. What core strategy drives this refreshment, and what product value do you want to provide to European customers since you are shifting from the products exports to brand building?
Okay, thank you everyone. Currently I'm standing at Fox ESS Intersolar booth, and as you all know, we upgraded our brand last month, and this is the first stop in Europe we show this whole rebranding area. It's not about a new logo, a new color, and our new mascot. The Fox's name is Man. Also, we upgrading this whole system. We would like to convey our brand message to the world that we think that the sun shines to everyone, so should it power too. As we all in the renewable energy, we need the sun power to transfer to electricity, and we want to bring this kind of renewable energy to everyone, every corner of the world. So thank you.
S&P Global Energy ranks Fox as Europe's top residential storage supplier in H1 2025. Does this European Brain Cup confirm Europe as your core post-rebrand market? And how do you adapt strategies for Europe's uneven energy transition progress?
Europe has always been our, I think, main focus market. So it's always very important to us, and ranking number one is a great honor for us, and it just shows us that our customers value our products and our strategies, our team, and the energy transition in Europe cannot come fast enough. So we are doing everything to provide the best components for that.
Thank you so much for your answer. And the next question, for end users in the German residential energy storage market, what are the core factors they care about the most when choosing energy storage products? Safety, system efficiency, brand name, or ease of installation? What do you think? Or maybe payback period? And what are the main dimensions for the user's decisions making? How does Fox product design and value propositions address the user concerns?
Of course, I think the European customers' number one concern is definitely safety. So you have to have very high safety standards in order to sell in Europe. But everything else you mentioned, like efficiency, system functionality, maybe even brand recognition, service, everything is very important for us at Fox. And I think our offices in Germany, in all over Europe, just confirm and help the customer to choose.
Thank you so much for your answer. And one more question to you. In the European market, particularly in Germany, installers are the key designers, decision makers for residential storage systems. And Fox has established a subsidiary in Germany, built local sales and also a service team. So my question is, could you elaborate how the company continuously lowers deployment barriers for installers to enhance the partner loyalty through the product design and also channel support and localized services?
As I said already, Europe is and will remain our biggest market, especially you mentioned already, our after sales is a big part of it, so we fully concentrate. We have a local team in here, we have local people who speak the local language. Our installers are our number one priority. Our devices are easier to install from generation to generation, and we want to pay back the trust they give us.
Thank you so much for this interview and for your answers.